Why do stars fall?
Wow! A star has fallen! It's so beautiful!
I saw it too.
Me too! I would love to decorate my house with real stars. Maybe they do not stick so well in the sky, since sometimes they fall down by themselves. You are laughing, but I know an astronomer. He lives on that high mountain over there. Surely he knows why the stars are falling and how we can get one of them.
That sounds interesting. Show us the way.
Oops, this bridge is up. Let's put it down. Slide your finger along the line to lower part of the bridge. Great, one part of the bridge is in place. Let's lower the second part of the bridge too. Slide your finger along the line to lower part of the bridge. Great job. Let's continue our journey. This block of ice is preventing the friends from driving further. Look, there are some items hiding in the ice. Find a match for each item. Woohoo! We quickly dealt with this block. It seems that the path only leads up. Let's use the elevator. Oh no! It looks like it's broken. We need to fix it. Put together new lifting gear for the elevator. Hooray! It's time to move on. I think this bridge will help us get to the other side. Uh-oh, the old bridge has almost collapsed. Let's fix it. Move the wooden beams into the correct places to strengthen the bridge. Great job! Let's continue on our way.
It is too dark. It seems no one is at home. Ah!
Greetings, friends. You are in my humble observatory. I'm Lori the astronomer. What has brought you to me?
Hello! Oh, we were scared at first. We want to decorate our homes with real stars for the holiday.
It's impossible to do that. Real stars are far from us, in space. They are huge and will not fit on our planet. This is our Earth. Here is the Sun. It is also a star. Here is the star Sirius. Look how much bigger it is than the Sun. Vega is even larger, and there are many more stars in space.
Wow! Where do they fall then?
Oh no, stars don't fall. When you see a shooting star in the sky, it's not really a star at all. These are small pieces of cosmic matter that enter our atmosphere and burn beautifully in the sky. Don't be upset, Heidi. I will help you decorate your house.
Wow! Lori the astronomer gave the friends some cool space decorations for their house. Let's decorate the house. Move all the items to the correct places. Wow! This is fantastic! Wow! We've got a cool interplanetary home.
It turned